want to go there so bad. But, I mean, I can, but no, I don't want to. I'm just gonna stay in my yard. What is he doing? I'm gonna go check it out. Matthew, what the hell are you doing in this blazing hot sun? It's not even blazing hot, Luigi. Just leave me alone. Go back inside. Okay, whatever. But I just want to know what you're doing here in the blazing hot sun. Luigi, it's none of your business. Just go back inside. Okay, fine. What's wrong with Mario? What's gotten into Mario? He never goes outside. It's starting to get annoying. I don't know what to do. I remember. I could ask Bowser to sabotage him. But that doesn't really sound like a professional idea. It's blazing hot. I don't understand why he's out there in the hot sun. I mean, it is what he wants to do, but I mean, it doesn't make any sense. This is stupid. But I guess I'll just take a nap, I guess. Okay, I do see what Luigi's saying. It is kind of hot. But that won't stop me. I'm just gonna go somewhere, but yeah. Of course, the sun comes back again. Gosh, it's so annoying. I'll just go back. Oh, you stupid sun. Why do you have to ruin everything? Wait, the sun's gone. I'm gonna go back. But there's dog poop over there. Oh, that's nasty. Okay, I guess I'll just go back. First, there's the sun. Now there's the dog poop. Now it's getting annoying. I'm just gonna go outside in the forest, and then I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm fed up. I'm fed up. Okay, the only problem here is that there's sun, so I can just go there. So it's not that big of a deal. Okay, this grass is perfect. Oh wait, it's so comfy. I might sleep here actually. Okay, that was a nice sleep, but there's nothing to do. What's that noise? It's coming in this way. I'm gonna go check it out. There's nothing here. There was no reason to come here then. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. What can I do out here? Now I see why Luigi was upset at me. There's nothing to do. My favorite plants. Okay, there's something to do out here. I need to touch all of these. I need to touch all of them. All of them. All of them. That was probably the worst idea ever. Luigi. Oh, it's just you, Mario. Well, what is it? I don't want to go outside ever again. Oh my gosh.